Projectile point 750.
Cerro de la Muela.
Iron projectile point, known as
Pilum catapultarium.
from the oppidum of
Cerro de la Muela.
in the municipality of
Mengíbar.
province of
Jaén.
Spain. It is dated to the end of the 3rd century BC. It was used by the Roman army that besieged this oppidum in the context of the Second Punic War. The point is pyramidal type and maintains a length of 9.7 centimeters. As its wooden shaft has not been preserved, it is difficult to define the total length of the projectile. However, considering other cases analyzed, a total length of approximately 69.5 centimeters could be indicated. At the end of the point there is a clear impact mark, as it appears crushed and bent to the side. It is a type of projectile that must be launched by torsion artillery. Due to their size, they almost certainly correspond to projectiles for a Scorpio-type catapult. The oppidum of
Cerro de la Muela
is located on the left bank of the mouth of the
Guadalbullón
river into the
Guadalquivir
river. Its location gives it extensive visual control of the environment. The oppidum has an area of 16 hectares and is surrounded by a stone fortification. On its west side it has a plateau area reinforced with towers and with a double moat system. Surface archaeological surveys have also detected the presence of war elements such as slingshot projectiles, arrowheads, catapult projectile points, remains of military equipment and coins dated to the end of the 3rd century BC, in the context of the 2nd century BC, Punic War in the upper Guadalquivir Valley. Along with these metal objects, the presence of pottery made on a wheel with decorative shapes and motifs that date back to around the 4th–3rd centuries BC stands out. Archaeological research allows to propose that the oppidum of
La Muela
was the Iberian oppidum of
Iliturgi,
and therefore the protagonist of the war events that occurred between 215 and 206 BC. The latter date is when
Iliturgi
is besieged and razed to the ground by Scipio Africanus. The destruction was legitimized by the behavior of this city, after the death of Gnaeus and Publius Scipio in 211 BC, betraying and handing over the remains of the Roman troops to the Carthaginians after the disaster of the Roman military campaign in the upper Guadalquivir Valley.